Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. What we have here is a duct tape, but it's not just an ordinary duct tape. It's a duct tape antenna. So made from the duct tape, a copper tape, which is a dipole, J-pole antenna, inspired by Victor Echo 6, Sierra Foxtrot X-Ray, a fellow YouTuber and fellow ham. So what we have here is the J-pole, okay, and we need to tap the feed line here, somewhere here. We have the measurement. So as of now, this is the outcome from the duct tape and the copper tape. So okay, to be continued. 73. So fellow hubs, mga karadyo, again this is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. For the continuation of our project, ayan, we already made the pigtail of our J-pole or our duct tape J-pole antenna. So it's made from the BNC connector and a 50 ohms coaxial cable, and we use heat shrink tube for the isolation and insulation of the wire. So we just need to tap here from the bottom of the antenna. We measured 5 cm and the fade line is here. So just like that. Okay, feed line is here and the pigtail is out. Okay, so we'll just need to solder here this part on this portion. Okay, so okay, we'll continue. So I need to pause this video and come back again right after we are done making the feed line area. Okay, so fellow hams, for the continuation of our project, duct tape slim J-pole antenna, we are already done soldering the feed line here about 5 cm. Okay, 5. Okay, done right here. Okay, 5 cm. So we only need to tape here using another duct tape antenna, but this time I'm using a color green. Okay, so it's the one available in the market as of now, so color green, so it's fine. So again, we need to pause this video and be back again after we done taping here on this area. Okay, fellow hams. So fellow hams, we're done making this duct tape antenna, a J-pole duct tape antenna. So here's the outcome of our project: the pigtail, duct tape. So a little bit messy here, my workplace. Actually I'm at my room making this antenna, so for the sake of this content, this video, so here the pigtail. Okay, a little bit noisy. The Echolink repeater is active, so Okay, the end, the tip and the bottom of this antenna. Okay, that's it, fellow hams. We'll be testing this antenna maybe tomorrow, and unfortunately we don't have any SWR metered device to be used for the SWR testing of this antenna. So that's it for now, fellow hams, mga karadyo. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima 73, and mabuhay.